Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2012 Ford Explorer. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at the tires. Still have a good amount of tread left there. We're just going to come up and down the panels looking for dents, stings, scratches. Do our best to point any of those out. A little bit of fading or wax residue on some of the plastic, which is pretty common. As we get around to the back, a couple little prior repairs there. Nothing major. And then again, just a couple little tiny light spots there. We chalk most of that up to just normal wear and driving. Looking at the interior, you do get some power, multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's a nice black cloth seating. 92,310 is your current mileage. You get AM, FM, satellite radio, all your displays right here, easy to get to, climate control, multiple power ports and auxiliary ports below there, and then all the flooring surface is going to be black. Looking in the second row now, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seats here. No signs of any rips, tears, or staining in the back of this Explorer. You do have rear air controls as well as an additional power port. Looking in the cargo area now, the third row is in its upright position, so you do get this nice well for storage when it is pulled up. We'll go ahead and zoom out and we'll show you a shot of that with it folded up in the floor. So we did go ahead and collapse and stow and go one of those seats there for you so you can get an idea of the cargo space. The second row will then go ahead and lay down so you do get full pass-through storage all the way to the back of the front seats. Taking one more look at the second row from the passenger side. We'll go ahead and flip these seats, showing you access to that third row. Everything in the back row looks great as well. No signs of any damage back here. Finishing up in the front passenger seat. One more look over that seating surface. We're going to take one more spin around the back. And that'll wrap up your 2012 Ford Explorer.